How to fix the problem, this app can't run on your PC. When opening any application on your device, this message appears. This app can't run on your PC. We will fix it in a very easy way, without any programs. But I hope you support me by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. All you have to do is go to the Windows search box and type this command: Local Security Policy. Click on it twice. Then this window will open. After that, click on Local Policies. Then click on Security Options. From here, search for an option called User Account Control, Admin. You will find it at the bottom. This option. Double-click on it, then make sure it is set to Enabled. If it is on Disabled, set it to Disabled. Then click Apply, then OK. From the same window, double-click on this option, User Account Control, Run All Admins, and make sure it is also set to Enabled. Then click Apply, then OK. After doing these steps, please restart your device. Then try running the programs and applications without any problems. The second step is an important additional step. Go to the search box and type Change User Account Control Settings. You must make sure it is set to the second option. Recommend if you use familiar apps and visit familiar websites. Then restart your device to apply the steps correctly. Another very important tip. When installing programs on your device, make sure they are compatible with your system, whether 64-bit or 32-bit. How do you know your system type? All you have to do is right-click on this PC icon, then choose Properties, and check from there whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. Finally, don't forget to like the video.